Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nastin Padasalai. So in this video, we are going to discuss the important topic, that to 50 most important topics for section A for Icmr JRF examination. First is fossil evidences. You need to know about the entire information about the fossil evidences. Next is environmental pollution and the detection of the environmental pollution and few environmental monitoring techniques. Next, you need to know about the environmental pollution control in special focus to bio-augmentation, biostimulation, biodegradation, biosorption, biofilm and bioremediation and xenobiotics. Okay. Next is environmental friendly technologies like biofertilizer, biopesticide, biogas and biofuel, and how microorganisms are involved in enhanced oil recovery. List of microorganisms that are involved in clearing the oil spills in ocean. Next is a pollution monitoring. This include chemical, biological and molecular method and also environmental impact assessment and biodiversity and conservation. Next, you need to know about ozone depletion, greenhouse gases. Next is global warming. Next, you need to give special focus for studying 12th chemistry NEET examination syllabus. Okay, so if you have your 12th chemistry NEET books, just give a read because from chemistry at least 2 to 5 questions will be asked. That was similar to your 12th standard grades. Next is the list of medicinal compound from the plant and plant secondary metabolite. Next is alcohol drinks and how they are produced, like wine, beer and some other thing. They will be asking the alcohol percentage. Next, the type of vitamins and their function, and also you need to know about the covalent structure of amino acid carbohydrates. Next, the fermentation, the fermentar, the parts of fermentar, list of fermentation type and also fermented products. Next is biosensor. Next, you need to know about chemical bonds in biological molecule, that is forces stabilizing chemical macromolecule, and common drugs that are employed for curing diabetes, breast cancer, tuberculosis and some other common diseases. Next is drugs that are produced by RDNA technology. Next, you need to study about probability sums. Next, you need to know about list of environmental disasters like Bhopal tragedy, and recently there was a gas spillage was there in Andhra and Gujarat. You need to know about general knowledge questions. The general knowledge questions will be asked. Next, they will be asking the lens that are used for correcting eye disorder. Next, a common abbreviation, like they will be asking the abbreviation of who, like they will be asking what is the abbreviation of Icmr and related nodal agency. So just know about the common abbreviation of all. Next, you need to enter into Icmr website and you need to look on each and every information that are related to Icmr, like the recent innovation involved in COVID management, like what are the recent vaccine that has been licensed for COVID. Everything you can able to find in Icmr website. Next, you need to know about biostatistics. You need to give special focus for COVID. Okay, so you need to know about the genomic structure of COVID and current vaccine for COVID and diagnostic methods for cancer. Okay, next you need to know about brain parts and the function, like where this vomit center is being located in brain, like that they'll be asking. Next, ICUN red data bank, like you need to know the organism which has been extincted for the past year and you need to know which organism has been considered near threatened in the year 2022. So starting from 2020 to 2023, you need to have an up-to-date knowledge. Next, you need to give a special focus on circulatory system and you need to know about radioactive material, structure of a DNA, types of DNA like A form DNA, B form DNA, Z form DNA and types of RNA, and you need to know about the virus and the genomic material of various virus, and you need to give special focus on cancer apoptosis mechanism. Next, you need to know about virus that are involved in causing cancer. Next, you need to know about fear of water, fear of air, fear of dark, like you need to have a general knowledge, and study of what is a study of soil, what is a study of rock. Next, you need to know about environmental laws and regulation like Kyoto protocol, monitor protocol, like that. Next, crops in Indian agriculture, like that you need to know, like kharif crop, like that you need to know. Next is you need to have a special understanding about SARC nation. Next, since you also need to know about G20 issues, friends. Okay. Next, you need to know about important days and why it was celebrated. The theme of day, like they'll be asking when National Science Day is celebrated and what is the theme, and they'll be asking few environmental day, when Breast Cancer Day was celebrated, when Tuberculosis Day was celebrated, and what is the theme for Tuberculosis 2020. Like that, they'll be asking. Next, you need to give special focus for eradicated disease and devastating disease. Okay. Next, you need to know about lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. Next, headquarters, where the headquarters for Icmr is located, where the headquarters for WHO is located, where the headquarters for CDC is located. So at the same time, you need to look onto the website for World Health Organization and CDC. Since after this COVID, many questions are coming from that particular website, where you can able to find cumulative thing about that particular thing in this website. Next, you need to know about Nobel Prize winners in chemistry and also biological sciences. Next, you need to know about geological ages. Next, you need to know about measures of central tendency and statistical test, like ANOVA, t-test, student t-test, like that you need to know. Next is periodic table. Next is father of. Who is the father of inorganic chemistry? Who is the father of genetics? Like that they will be asking. And color and reason. Why grass are green in color? Why onion are pink in color? Why red soil is red in color? Like that they will be asking. Next is general knowledge question, like which gas is present in cylinder? Which gas is present in refrigerator? Which gas is present in AC? And also normal mechanism, like how touch screen in our mobile phone is been operating. Tell me the principle of TV remote, and why which gas is filled in airbag. Like that, they'll be asking basic general knowledge question. Okay, so in the next video, I'll be sharing 100 important topics for section B. So thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video.